How to set ringtone for specific contact on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This is my Samsung Z Fold 7. First of all, open the app drawer. Tap on the phone app. Now tap on the contacts tab on your device. Select the contact. Tap on the eye icon. Now tap on the eye icon. After select the contact, tap on it. Now tap on a more at the bottom right corner. Here you can see the change ringtone and vibration option on your Samsung device to set the ringtone for a specific contact. So tap on it. Now see the ringtone option and call vibration. So tap on a ringtone. Now list of available different ringtone on your Samsung device. If you want to set the downloaded song or your favorite song as your ringtone for specific contact, tap on a plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can see that the different tracks, albums, artists, and folders. In the folder, you can select your downloaded song or your favorite song to set a specific custom ringtone or specific contact on your device. So select any ringtone from the downloaded song or this folder to set the custom ringtone for specific contact in a Samsung Z Fold 7. That's it. Like it, share it.